Tejasri Koswe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhinder. My subject is maintenance of electrical equipment. So in this video you will learn about practical number 2, which is to perform no load and block rotor test on 3-phase induction motor to determine the equivalent circuit parameters. So this is your block diagram, or you can see circuit diagram for this practical. We are using 3-phase auto transformer. So input wires are connected to this supply and starts connection from this output of auto transformer. So R and Y of this auto transformer are connected to V terminal, V voltmeter. So connect this R and Y to this voltmeter. So make parallel connection. R is connected to positive terminal of this voltmeter and Y is connected to negative terminal of this voltmeter, like this. Next connection is this voltmeter positive is connected to ammeter positive. So this voltmeter positive, this black wire, is connected to ammeter's positive. Next connection is ammeter negative is connected to wattmeter's M terminal. So ammeter's negative is connected to wattmeter's M terminal. This is W1. Then MC short, and L is connected to R terminal of this motor. So this L terminal is connected to motor's R terminal, which is red in color. Next we have to connect this voltmeter's negative terminal to first wattmeter's V terminal. So voltmeter's negative terminal, this wire, voltmeter's negative terminal is connected to first wattmeter V terminal, and then you have to connect both wattmeters V terminal to each other. So this V is connected to second wattmeters V terminal. So this is connected to this V terminal, and then this B terminal is connected to second wattmeter M terminal. So this is M terminal. So M terminal is connected to B terminal of this auto transformer, and then MC short. So make this connection MC short, and L is connected to B terminal. So L is connected to B terminal, and then this V terminal of second wattmeter is connected to Y terminal. So V terminal of this second wattmeter is connected to Y terminal of this motor. So this is your connection for no load test, and similar connection is for block rotor test. So for no load test, load is not connected to the motor, and for block rotor test you have to block the rotor. And then in your manual you have to take reading like this, that is no load test. You have to give the voltage of rated voltage 415 volt, and note down the readings, that is voltage, current, both wattmeters reading. And for a block rotor test, you have to block the rotor and you have to give the supply up to the rated current. So rated current is 4 ampere, so give the voltage according to it and note down this reading and make calculations as per given in your manual. And write down this result, interpretation of result and conclusion in your manual. Thank you.